What's up, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Do you need an external microphone to create for your iPhone for vlogging or to create mobile content? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you a little camera hack that I learned with the iPhone from this awesome YouTuber named Cody Wanner. If you don't know who he is, I'm gonna leave his YouTube channel link down in the description box below. He showed, with the iPhone, you can actually improve your camera, your audio quality. You don't need an external microphone, so if you want to waste that money, just YouTubing off your phone, want to create that awesome mobile content, this is basically all you need. So if you choose to shoot content with your phone and be a mobile content creator like me, how I use and just go out and create content with my phone, then this little camera hack will probably help you out, especially if you want to vlog with your iPhone and get that awesome, great content. So this is the awesome camera hack. What you do is go to your settings, scroll down to camera, and then see where it says record stereo audio. Turn that off. That will help you fix your audio because it enables the mic quality from the bottom of the phone and lets you use the required back microphone on the back of the iPhone. You can get awesome, great content shooting with your phone, maybe an 8, 7, 6.5, so you can get that awesome, great content. Just use your phone. It's good to being able to go out with your phone. You don't have to be told put away a camera because anything you see on the fly, on the go, your phone is always in your pocket. And one reason why you should use the back camera over the front-facing camera is because with the iPhone 11 Pro or the iPhone 11, you get the ultra-wide, and for vlog settings, it's going to also help you get them awesome angles, especially if you're using your iPhone to create vlogs. Also, let me know how this video is looking at night. I wanted to try out the iPhone's nighttime vlogging style, whatever, just want to try this out, using the low lighting. It's kind of cool. I do have an aperture light that's sitting on here, so it's helped bring it out because without it was like kind of dark and dull. So let me know how you think this quality is looking right now. Hey, so thanks, awesome people. Hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you did learn something. Ready to go. If you're new here, like this video, consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks, Cody Wanner, for your awesome tip, and I wanted to share it out to you guys. But other than that, this is your boy Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV, and I'm signing out of here.